My name is Little Honola, and I need help with this life sciences question.
Let's have a look. Okay, there are two variations of, and I need to get my color changed here, two variations are in the color of king snakes. So remember, we're talking about variations. So some have bright colors and some have dull colors. All right, king snakes are non-poisonous, so predators are going to eat them. Okay, predators means they're going to be hunted and eaten as prey. So you've got your coral snakes. I'm really not a snake fan, so this is actually a question that's making my back crawl. But you've got coral snakes, and coral snakes have got a bright color pattern, but they are as poisonous as anything, so predators are not going to touch. It's a defense mechanism, so the predators are going to avoid them. Scientists observed that the king snakes shared the same habitat, which is not strange. They shared the same habitat with the coral snakes. There were more king snakes that had bright color patterns. So use your common sense. I mean, remember, this is a form of camouflage, it's a form of protection, it's a mechanism to survive. And you've got the coral snakes that are brightly colored, and your brightly colored king snakes. These guys are poisonous, these guys aren't. So why is this happening? So let's have a look. Here they give us our diagram, and they say, if you look at the distribution, your coral snake, and these are your bright king snakes, and shame, and there are only three representing the dull king snake. So it tells you that the bright colored king snakes are surviving while the dull colored guys aren't. Now remember, they're the ones that are not poisonous. So let's have a look at our question. It says, explain how the bright colored pattern of the coral snake influences their survival. Well, you've got the bright color pattern. Okay, is associated with being poisonous. So predators avoid them. I mean, it's no good if the predator eats them and then it dies. So what does that automatically do? It improves chances of survival. Okay, so that's it. Let's have a look at our last question. Okay. It says, use Darwin's theory of evolution through natural selection to explain why the more brightly colored king snakes in this habitat, I think they've left off a piece here, survive. Okay, so let's see. I'm at the bottom here, so let's just, oh, no, up. Okay, so we're going to look at natural selection. So the first thing you're going to do is that there is variation in king snake patterns. Okay, so there's variation. You get, there are the bright colored and the dull. People, I'm trying to go as fast as I can, and the dull colored, okay? So you've got bright and you've got dull. Now think, your bright colors, bright colored king snake is associated, because it is similar, it is associated with the poisonous coral snake. So what do the predators do? The predators avoid them. Okay, they avoid them because they think it's a coral snake and not this normal colored king snake it's actually not poisonous. So what happens? They are able to survive. And if they're able to survive, they reproduce and produce fertile offspring. And and the cycle of life continues. Now, your dull-colored king snake, what happens to them? The predators eat them. So, they are dead. And if they are dead, they definitely can't reproduce. Okay? And they will eventually become extinct. All right, it's as simple as that. That's natural selection, survival of the fittest.